In the heart of eastern Uganda is Fuluma Butta parish in Manafa district, a place abundant in culture, strength and nature. Yet it also faces the increasing challenges of climate change and deep-rooted gender inequality. It is against this background that the Gender Project was introduced to address these challenges.
For example, my was a group. Senga disabled. The same Mubanga by Ganabanga, Nabanga, give a disabled us or Canada, but this day, we participate.
In many rural areas, menstruation is still a hidden struggle. Reusable sanitary pads were introduced. Girls and women have access to safe menstrual products.
Sanitary pads, yeah, reducing a camapesa horams. Pesa Habesanga never Navahan. Yaba saving a whole Yalabe Halabe, Belly or Kamalan, African Karu, Yarino, Gawa batting it. Yawaki and the Pakago, Wala, Bisa.
Women's involvement in politics has opened doors to change, inspiring communities to value equality and leadership. Kaholo mahore faba maisa kunyalohi mahukanya hamubandu bakalita neho sinzira ho misomejo cyahuwa kamane nafare mu bandu bakali huiminiramo kwemaho burangirisi abeso hasubiro huimata. Access to financial services is limited. Seed Fund helps women-led groups start businesses and grow their savings.
Saving nga bahurera nabonanga interest fiti ninanyaliso yukofamu nanyeso hongera muri tuhalyase nabonanga busindu he ninyalisa baba kupana munzu mwange n'umukozi wasita.
Through agroforestry and vegetable growing, farmers grow trees and crops together. Fuluma Hill, once bare, is being restored. Daily cooking once filled homes with smoke and health risks. Lorena stoves were introduced, providing a cleaner and safer solution.
Sinyo alilisi sindibona tanga nabwani alilisi regular bi jonge hende habiya hangu likohe siliyanyu hakamu ifumbiro mwaba muchafuta.
I have learned that climate change impacts both men and women because as we cannot reach everywhere, we cannot get to all the members in the community, but when we have or we involve the gender champions, they can help us reach every household, and this has really boosted the gender equality. I also want to take this opportunity to appreciate the Welsh government and the size of Wales for the funding. I pray that they will continue supporting us as METGE, and we also support the communities we work with. Thank you so much.